It's already 36 degrees in this polytunnel, but I want to get these leeks in. Giant Winter Leeks, and I'm going to take them out of this pot, see what we've got. There's roots at the bottom of this very deep pot, as you can see. So let's just break it up a bit and see what we get. Obviously I'm going to take the largest first. I'm going to be planting 3 in one hole. I'm not sure I can show you that, but I'm just going to do it as I'm going. So what I'll do is I'll plant them and then get back to you. So I don't know if you can see this. I put the first 3 in the first hole, and I'm just going to go down the line. 3 plants, and don't trim roots or leaves, fairly deep, and then I'll water them in later. So that's the way to do it with these. I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to pause now and then come back later. So that's the first row of leeks in. So all I do now, before I do the next row, is top up each hole with water till it overflows. Washes the roots in, beds the plants in. Hope I'm not very good with a camera, I'm sorry. They might look too deep, but they're not. That first one didn't get filled up, and I suspect I found a mold gallery down underneath, because that's a full. Well, we'll see on that. So don't hold out much hope for this first one. I might try and fill that one with some compost. Okay, on to the next row. Okay, so let's see if this will work out. I've podged the initial holes for the next row, but I want to see if I can get that hole filled up. Let's see if I can get this filled up. So what I've got is compost, and what I'm going to try and do, well, it kind of worked, I think. So it's actually washing compost down into the hole. That's will it work? We'll see. Onward and upward. I often say the word serendipity or happy accident, but in this case, can't believe it, but even though some of these are tiddlers, the exact spacing, number of rows, 3 leeks to a cell, I got right down to the very last leek. That's incredible. Yeah, some of them are tiddlers, and we'll just see what the season brings us. They're going to be in the ground a long time. Let me just poke that root in. Need all the help we can get. Okay. We're going to have a really hot day today, so I will water these holes again tomorrow. But I'm happy now because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of leeks. We'll see. Oh, plus of course the ones that are in that jungle, the square foot garden. I need to pull some spring onions soon. Okay, I think that's me done for today. It's already 36 degrees in here and that's hot. So what am I doing? Have I got anything else to do today? I've watered everything. No, I think that'll do it. And that was my Giant Winter Leeks. Good one.